so
big.
good.
Yes.
That it didn't process
I
it.
love it so much.
All right. So okay, you done. $12 each nails. No,
Okay, not in my
10
shop.
$10 for the background, which is fusionings and
Yeah.
stickers, and then it's $15 for the nails. So $25 for nails
There you go.
and $50 of additionals. Because remember, every single layer you added on, there's additional fee on it, and then the minimums you go at $5. Why? Because it's cost you for investing in your products, cost you invest in your time, and also your skills and your experience as well.
Even if you're doing a transfer foil, guys, in my shop I charge $6. $5 is fine. You figure out your starting price. The reason why is I own every single transfer foil Glitz has ever made. I have 115 transfer foils, I think. There's
What
10 in
color?
each box. So I have 1,150 transfer foils. No, I do not let my customer pick from each one. But this is why I have to start at $6, because I have to figure out what it is that they want. So there's part of a consultation in there is included in that $6. So that's why you start at a minimum price. I don't have this color, dang it. I hate it when you use
The
the
golden,
color.
no, you do have
Do I
it.
have this one?
Yeah. You order with the frozen.
Oh, when I got the 4. Yeah,
Mhm.
okay. I have so many, it's hard to remember which one exactly I
On
have.
the plastic tray. So I'm gonna do.
If you guys if you've been wanting to do 4D, you haven't ever tried it, you tried 3D with acrylic, it's kind of difficult because you have to get your liquid to powder ratio right so it doesn't run and so that it's not too dry. When you're doing 4D, you can see it's a gel and it doesn't dry until you're ready to cure it. So you just grab a little bitty ball. Make sure that you put your top coat on first so that you don't have to try and go around it. So do your gel polish or whatever you're doing. Put your ball 40 gel on top of your cured top coat. And then you just, this is our 3D silicone tool, and the other end is the natural hairs for doing if you're going to do it out of acrylic. So you can do either or with this
So
particular one.
perfect about this is it's 45-degree angle. I think it might be too far away. Right there. You can see it better now.
Yeah, I think I moved it the wrong way. It's hard when you're on the wrong side of the table. I tried to make it better and I think I made it worse, but it's okay.
And then we are going to using the angle of it because what it does is do all the work for you already. So press it down.
But you see how tiny this silicone tip is? It's tiny. But it makes it so that you can do really precise when you press it down. And it doesn't squish it because it's not too big. And it doesn't stick to it. You don't need any solvents, no alcohol, no monomer, nothing. Just straight out of the bottle and use your silicone tip from your 3D brush.
And you can do it 2 petals, 1 petals, or you can do more than that. Do one and here. Flash here for 30 seconds.
30 seconds or 10?
30 seconds. 10 is work too. But should we do green or
I
purple?
love the green. Oh, I don't know. I like the purple too. I have the green, so do the purple.
Do you want me to stop this other camera?
No,
Stop it.
it's good. It's still because we're still going with the purple. That's like a.
my
You should
gosh.
ask Tay if he has questions, and then we can have demo for
The
him. too.
purple's so freaking cute.
Smaller beads. I will do a smaller beads, and then the other one I can do green for you.
It's so cute. I
And
love the green.
then-
I just got that green last time I was here. I did a little bit during fall. I did some leaves with a little bit of green, a little bit of orange. So cute. But you guys, look at how easy this is. It's
Just
so
press
simple.
it down and release.
And if you're new to this and you screw up, you're like, oh my God, I squished it. I put too much pressure. No big deal. Just take it off, make it a ball again, and do it again. You can't screw up. All you have to do is just remove it and you can do it again. Look
So
at it.
whenever you're doing more than one petal, is it best to cure the first one before
Yeah.
going to the next?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cure the first petal.
The 30 seconds before. Okay, so before that, before we're keying it, this I'm gonna do is something is really quick, simple, and give it some little pieces of condensed glue gels. And then top coat. Because I'm going to show you, you can place your
You can put a frame.
frame on it.
Like I'm guessing.
And it is great that when it's yours 40 gels, it's still not completely clear. It's the
You
best.
can just squish it right in and it's going to be so secured.
Yes. Press it down.
And so what she's using right now is the dotting tool is the other end of our crystal picker.
Mm-hmm.
So one end she can flip it around so you only have to pick up one tool, you don't have to pick up two. One end is for your crystals, other end is your dotter to adjust anything.
That's it.
Look at it, it's so cute.
How simple and easy it is. Okay,
And it'll all cure at one time.
Mm-hmm. Next one.
This one, we'll do green.
We do green,
Green and
and yellow.
Sure,
Oh, green and purple.
sure. I'm so easy, I don't care.
Ooh, that's gonna be so pretty.
I don't care. I had meant to put purple on here. This is purple fusion ink with yellow. Would you guess that? So crazy. It turns so beautiful. When the yellow hits the purple, it turns fuchsia and orange.
So smaller beads. And you do like probably 80% away from the cuticle because we're going to do another one.